Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I kind of just did not post a video earlier this week. I just got caught up in a lot of things. I had a lot going on and I just kind of did not film a video. So it's Thursday and I have a video for you guys today, and I was honestly kind of waiting for this package to come in anyway because I really wanted this to be my next video because I'm super excited to introduce you guys to this new brand from the United Kingdom. So they're called 206 Clothing, and this is my first time kind of partnering up with them, and I thought I would unbox this with you guys because I want you guys to see it. So we'll just get right on to it. And by the way, quickly, if you want to get some of the same looks that I'm showing you today, then you can use this discount code 206INA, so INA. Pop it up here for you, and I'll drop it in the description down below. But I would totally go check this company out. They seem like the quality clothing is going to be really good. But that's why we're here. We're gonna find out today, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I ordered through them. Let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna unbox it. It's all fancy and wrapped up. Let's go with this first one here. Why not? Okay, so this is the first shirt I ordered. Yep. Yeah, I really wanted to order this because of what was going on because of COVID. I thought this was hilarious. So if you can read that. Honestly, I thought this was so cute, had to get it. So yeah, I'll try it on in a sec for you there and show you what it looks like on. Next one. Ooh, okay. Why does this smell so good? Oh my god. Ooh, cute. All right. Yeah, I like that. This is so cute. Yeah, honestly, I can't wait to show this one on for you guys because this is like, the material just feels so freaking nice, honestly. Oh my god, yeah, I can't wait to show this on for you. Okay guys, so this next one is kind of a set. I was really excited for this one. Ooh. This feels so nice. I don't know what this material is, but oh my god. Just by the way, I got this in a size small. This is also a size small. The set was a size small. The blue sweater was an extra small, and I believe the white top was also a I got the white top in a medium. That's probably because there was no my size left, and also I can just tie it up because it's just a t-shirt. But anyway, yeah. Check it. Alright guys, and then I have one more final piece to show you from the 206 Clothing. These are so cute. Wow. Okay, so for those of you who know, pink is my favorite color. I love pink, obviously, and I have a pair of sweatpants exactly like these from Garage, but they're blue. And that's because Garage didn't have like the kind of pink I wanted in that tie-dye. So I just bought the blue ones. But then I saw these on the 206 website and I thought, oh my God, perfect. That's exactly what I want. I want something exactly like these. And oh, they feel so comfy. I can't wait to try these on for you guys. Yeah. I highly recommend this clothing brand, honestly. And again, if you want to use that discount code 206INA, INA, then drop it down below and make sure you use that at checkout. Yeah, I really do recommend this. I do. And it came fast, by the way. Even though it's from the UK, it still did come pretty quickly. And honestly came a lot faster than most of my packages within Canada. Or, yeah. But yeah, this came really fast. So pretty impressed with that. Okay guys, this is the first one here. I know you probably can't like see my head, but you can still hear me. That's okay. Yeah, honestly, I love this. These shorts are so comfy. They're not like spandex shorts. Also, if you see this here, it's not like bruising. I got like hives the other day when I just stepped outside the door. I honestly don't know what they're from, but I scratched them a lot, so that's why those are there. Anyway, yeah, this is like probably one of the comfiest like little lounging suits I've ever worn. I like the shorts because they're not spandex. I really don't know what this material is, but it's honestly amazing. So this set comes in other colors. I'll pop some pictures up here for you, but yeah, highly recommend this. It's so cute. I don't know how often I'd wear this together outside the house. Honestly, you know what? I probably would. I really don't care anymore at this point. Because, like, wear what you want. But, yeah. I like this. I feel like if I wear my pink fuzzy slides with it, ooh. Yeah, I feel like I'll be like a cotton candy cloud. Yeah. Highly recommend. Okay, yes, I like these a lot. These are so comfy. I think I've never had a pair of sweatpants that have properly fit me before. So yeah, just for reference, these are a UK size 6 or an extra small. Yeah. Oh my God, I love these. And then this top, I love this top. I know it's just a plain white tee and like, but it was more for just like the graphic that I wanted it for. But if you can read this, you're too close, because like, that's just like my vibe right now. I like it. So yeah, if you guys want this fit, check them out. Check them. It's so cute. I really like this one, and I knew I was gonna like it, and that's why I picked it. Cause like, yeah. Yeah. Approved. Love this. It's really comfy. It's cozy. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this lots now with my shorts. These shorts aren't from 206 Clothing. You guys have seen these before. These are my biker shorts from Garage. But yeah, I honestly bought this hoodie just so I could match it with this. Yeah, I really like it. I probably will wear this hoodie too, actually, with the other biker shorts too. The new ones I just got from 206. I know they're two different kinds of blues, but I still think they look cute. But yeah. So cute. You guys should really check it out. It's really comfy, I swear. Okay guys, that's all we have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed my 206 clothing haul. And again, great company from the UK. Their clothes are honestly so great. I love how comfy they are. And they do have other kinds of fashion clothes on there as well. I just didn't order some of the other stuff because it wasn't really my kind of thing to wear, but I'm really loving this collection of like comfy sets and their sweats and this hoodie. This cropped hoodie is so cute. I'm probably never going to take it off now. If you follow me on Instagram, you're going to see it a lot on my feed, probably, most likely.
But yeah, I'll probably end up getting another one in a different color.
Yeah, if you want a discount, remember 206 Ina, drop it below. And if you liked today's video, like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for hopefully Friday. I will actually be doing my fitness video, and I will be talking about a new company that I am currently loving at the moment, and that's local to Ontario, so stay tuned for that.